Sony in their wisdom have added an external microphone port, which is a great thing to have, so you can use an external mic, which is what I want to do, but you have to have the door open like this to use it, flopping about like that. And if you want to put this in some sort of clamp arrangement or mount it on anything, that's going to get in the way. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to drill a hole in it. A bit like Casey Neistat, angle grinder against his 70D, or was it an 80D? I can't remember now. Line it up here, and I'm going to put a little mark on here, in line with this microphone import socket there. And that way I'm hoping I can have that shut. There'll be a little hole here which I can then plug my microphone into. First things first, I need to line it up and mark where that lines up with this, and that is there. Let's get up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm literally going to just melt. Gently does it. What you'll notice on there's a load of extra. If you look on there's a lot of extra plastic. There's my little hole. I will clean up around the edge a little bit, but just for the purpose of the video, just show. And now my microphone can fit in the bottom. But yeah, there you go. I've now got my little DJI mic on the bottom there. 3.5mm plug will actually fit into the bottom there. So there you go. I've made a hole in the bottom of my camera. Oh. Anyway, I hope you found that of interest, or a little bit mental I suppose. Attach your camera with a soldering iron to make a hole. But it works, so there you go. Anyway, give us a thumbs up will you, and subscribe. That would be really kind. Thank you for watching.